Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. So we just finished up Q's Street Glide. So this install is a little unique. Q came up for an audio upgrade. He already had a full Rockford audio setup on his bike. The audio setup consisted of the Rockford 400 watt amp, Rockford speakers in the upper fairing, Rockford speakers in the tour pack pods, and Rockford 5x7s in the lids. I don't ever like to see a client waste money. So to work within his budget and to reuse the most equipment that we could while still offering him a much bigger upgrade. So instead of pulling all the equipment out like most shops would have probably done, we reused everything that he had, repurposed, moved some speakers around. So the 5x7s we couldn't do anything with. We don't even bother offering a 5x7 upgrade at our shop. Some shops do. We don't feel we can get the bike to sound the way that we want it to sound, so we always convert the 5x7s to 6x9s. I understand that's not in everybody's budget, but that's the way we like to do it. So that's what we did on his bike. We upgraded the 5x7 because he had factory Harley lids to 6x9s, went with a set of Hertz 690 Neos. The Rockford 6.5s that he had in the fairing, we moved to the lowers. We did adapters for his Avant Black lowers and installed the 6.5 in the lowers. We kept the 6.5 Rockfords in the tour pack, and then we let the 400.4 run those 6 speakers. We upgraded the fairing speakers to Cicada CH. I like using the CH because they play really loud on low power, so it's perfect for this application. So the 400.4 drove the Cicada CH in the upper fairing, the Rockford in the lower fairing, and the Rockford in the tour pack. We added a HCAM mini DSP. Client already had a SoundStream radio. And we added a Sound Digital Evo X2 800.4. We bridged that amplifier to run the 6x9s. He currently doesn't want to run woofers in the bag, so this setup gave him excellent mid-bass, zero loss of bag space, and he didn't waste any money with his old equipment because we reused 100% of it. We just moved some speakers around and repurposed the amplifier power. So this upgrade, if we had taken the amplifier out and ran with the Sound Digital amplifier, it would have been an maybe 200 watt difference from what he was running before. By keeping the amplifier in place and supplementing and adding a second amplifier, it was an 800 watt difference. So it gave him more than double the output he had before. Safe, reliable, everything fit in the fairing. So it worked out. He was glad that we were able to save him the money. He didn't waste any of his old equipment. We were able to use all of it except the 5x7s, and the bike sounds phenomenal. Check out the build. Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. So we got Q's bike in. He's got a full Rockford setup in it. I never like to see clients waste money, so we're gonna reconfigure, move some stuff around, and then add to it instead of just ripping everything out and starting over. So the Rockford amp is not our favorite because it doesn't provide a ton of power. It's only 400 watts, but it is a solid, reliable amplifier. It does not break. So instead of pulling it out, we're just gonna move it, and we're gonna add a Sound Digital Evo X2 800.4. So he has the Rockford 6.5s. I'm not a big fan of them, but he wants to do speakers in the lowers, so we're gonna move these to the lowers. Then we're gonna do a set of Cicada CHs in the fairing. We're gonna keep these in the tour pack pods, and we're gonna upgrade the lids to the Hertz 690 Neos. We're gonna have the Rockford amp run the uppers, lowers, and tour pack, and then we're gonna bridge the 804 to run the 6x9, so it'll give him a really good amount of mid-bass. None of his product's gonna be wasted, so we're gonna use the 404 that he has along with the 4 6.5s. We're gonna add our 6.5s and our 6x9s. So we're basically adding our stage 2 onto the kit that he already has and adding a DSP. Bike's gonna sound great, and he didn't waste any money because he got to reuse the equipment he already has, and he could slowly upgrade it piece by piece. He already has a SoundStream Reserve radio. Got Joshua on it.
It'll be good.
So thanks to Dube's Customs, we have a solution. The bike came in with 5x7s, converting it to 6x9s. Joshua's gonna knock it out. So it's gonna be quite an upgrade going from the Rockford 5x7s to the Hertz 6x9s. Right, Jonathan, Joshua?
Yeah. I got Milky Way for blood, evolution in my veins. I'm going, I've been far away, I'm illuminated, I'll make a move, start a race. I've been dreaming about flying for a long time. I had a vision from the birds, they wanna co-sign. Artificially intelligent way, I'm your future, present, present, I'm a fine line. I'm a missing of this illusion. I am not really here, but intruding. I don't swim or sing, I just float. I don't need gravity, I just need room. When I move, it's in a quick rumble. I won't ever, ever fall, never stumble. And I don't need to be humble. Break down walls like Jericho crumble. I can go higher, that's the stratosphere, I can.
It's the Waffle House. If you ever been here, you know what I'm talking about. Where people don't dance, all they do is this. And after the original, you know what it is. Remix, it had to go down. I got something else to tell you about the new Motown. Where people don't visit, they move out here. And ain't no telling who you might see up in Lenox Square. I don't know about you, but I miss the Freaknik. Cause that's when my city used to be real sick. People from other cities used to drive for miles just to come and get a taste of this ATL. I'm the MVP, most ballin' player. Make my own moves, call me the mayor. Monday night, you know things change with time. Magic City back looking like 8 and 9. All the homies on the south side up in the Ritz. Tuesday night, the Velvet Room, same shit. Wednesday, strokers, I don't go no more. Cause they don't know how to treat you when you come through the door. Thursday night was plush, but we moved the fuel. And I'll be up in the booth drunk.
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. When a woman's better. Mama taught me a long time ago. Nothing you can do about it. Oh no, no. Running out of house. Say goodbye. It's too late to talk about it. Too late to talk about it. Yeah. Little woman said you can cry a river till an ocean starts to fall. But she will always remember she's a woman. We ain't seeing eye to eye no more. Hear my singing. Whoa, 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 It was me. And I'd be down on my knees saying, girl, don't you leave. But I know that I done gave it all I got, all I got.